The CJP supporters are still present at Jantar Mantar. There is a sit-in dharna that is currently going on. They are speaking with their supporters. They are telling the CJP supporters to remain calm and continue the agitation. Meanwhile, appeal are also being made by the CJP leaders to increase their presence in Jantar Mantar, defying the announcement that are being made by the Delhi police that the protesters have to leave Jantar Mantar in a peaceful manner. Now, several allegations have come across from the CJP side where they have blamed that the Delhi police had used force against Sonam Wangchuk, in fact used force against some of the party workers. And the Delhi police, in fact, the DCP himself had spoken to media, and he had clearly denied all these allegations, and he said that Sonam Wangchuk was removed and taken to the hospital in a very peaceful manner, and all the protocols were maintained, and the Delhi police had not used any sort of force against the protesters. Meanwhile, when the protesters were turning unruly and they were creating chaos, yes, the Delhi police had detained them, but till now the announcements are being made, but the protesters, the CJP supporters are continuing their agitation. As you can listen behind me, that the sloganeering are still going on. Abhijit Dipke, who's currently here, and I request my camera person just to zoom in to show Abhijit Dipke, who's speaking to the protesters. Now you can see a human chain has been created so that the media personals could not enter what the Abhijit Dipke is talking to the protesters right now. But shortly, what we are learning that an announcement will be made from the CJP side regarding their next course of action. But yes, the numbers of protesters, the number of footfall.
Yes, because now they have been calling for not just protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, but for pan-India peaceful protest. IP Singh ji, हमारे